Welcome back, guys, and let's talk about coughs, which most people assume that any cough you go to the hospital or to the chemist should be given antibiotics. In fact, in babies, we do classify coughs, and each and every cough is treated as per the classification. Now in adults, same as cough in children, not every cough is for antibiotics. And in adults, we try to look for the possible causes of coughs in adults before you can be able to treat. In our next video, when I'll be doing longer videos, we talk about coughs and their management as per the cause once we get to that bridge. Kindly, wherever you take your baby to the hospital, don't expect to be given antibiotics. Thank you.